Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we got sent home from work and I'm going to show you guys why. Because it is. It's literally a blizzard out. And Brazos Hill, oh my god, was so slippery. Look at this. I just shoveled that. Look. I literally just shoveled that. I looked there by the car, big old drift coming up behind the car. But yeah. Oh. It's snowing really, really thick. Oh my god. Yep, it's snowing pretty thick out there now. But I got my wood on, I just come home. I literally just come home. Now, put my big junk center there now, eh? I usually wait till the splits start to burn pretty good. Guys, awesome, isn't it? Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chunks of wood. No, I should put more on her. Yeah, I should put more chunks of wood on her. Yeah, guys, we had to go home, man. Holy crap. I barely made it up over Brazos Hill. I just made it up over Brazos Hill. Just look outside. Oh. That's dangerous because you know why? Because people got you know, longer places to go and everything. We got guys like 45 minutes from here, and we got guys down to work who lives all the way down the shore. You get about an hour drive. So yeah. Oh, it's burning now, guys. Close that. There you go. Now, yeah, she's burning now. Private property. Yeah, guys. Look at that. I just shoveled it. Just shoveled that. And it's back like just like I never did nothing. Oh, that's all my emergency phone numbers right there, guys. If you guys want to mark them down too, go ahead. Pause the video and mark them down. That's everything you want to know there, though. Emergency phone numbers. Yeah. Yeah, that's all the numbers. Oh man, oh man. I'm froze now. I'm froze there now. Oh, let's see what it's like out to the other window. My daughter's window. Oh my god, look at that snow drift right here. Whatever way the wind's blowing, see guys. Holy moly, look right here. Oh, got no snow there though. Thank God. No snow there, not yet. Not yet. Holy crap! I can't see Ridge Road. I can see Ridge Road from here, but I can't see it now. Can't even see that cliff over there. And look, guys, way in Tilton, look, I can see, on a clear day, I can see Tilton. I can't see Tilton from here. And just across, say, beyond that red house there, top of Brazos Hill, I can't see top of Brazos Hill. It's white out. Sometimes the wind picks up and it gets white out. And guys, let's have a look on the front, up towards Seymour's Road. Let's see what's on Seymour's Road. And this is what's on Seymour's Road, right here. And it don't look like it's clearing up anytime soon either. Nope, don't look like it's clearing up. Yep, they sent us home early, that's for sure. Really early. Do you know, I've been home now half hour. I've been home a half hour and I have seen one car go up to Seymour's Road yet. Go up Seymour's Road. Guys, look at this. What do you think about that? That's cool, isn't it? That clock is cool. That's a Gothic clock. Yeah. That's my that's my YouTube friends wall. So anybody send me stuff on YouTube fans, all goes here on my wall. That's by Curious George. That's the very first doll Mom gave me when I was in Pampers, she said. Yeah, that was the very first doll and I'll never get rid of it. No way. That's my haunted dolls. Ouija board and everything else. That one there, hey, that's after moving again. Hey, get the hair of the eyes. Jeez, oh my God, I swear these dolls moves on their own around in the night time. Man, oh man. Hey, move, Dolly.